Big news in the crypto world, everyone. KuCoin, one of the leading global cryptocurrency exchanges, has just announced the world premiere listing of Balance EPT EP on their platform. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. Balance EPT is making waves, and KuCoin is giving traders an exclusive early opportunity to get in on the action. Here's everything you need to know. KuCoin's world premiere listings are known for spotlighting high-potential projects early. For Balance EPT, this means increased visibility, liquidity, and accessibility for traders worldwide. 1. Deposit EPT into your KuCoin account. 2. Trade EPT USDT once markets go live. 3. Stay alert. Volatility can mean big opportunities. This is your chance to be part of Balance EPT's journey from the very beginning. Will you seize the opportunity? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto updates. Until next time, keep trading smart.